Hi, I'd like to make a quick tutorial video for those parents out there that might be unfamiliar with using Google Classroom, and just to show you a couple quick ways how you can navigate and check your students' progress. One way is to go to the school's website, so atafordpass.org. This is what it looks like now, and there's a nice little link right there. It says students log into Google Classroom here. Another way, if you're looking at this at a later date, the website might look like this. And then in this case, there's a link up here that says ATA users log in here. Click that and click on Google Apps. Once you go ahead and sign in, your Google Classroom will look something like this. You might have more classes here. I just have the one test right here. There's a couple ways to see things, and usually we will just click right here and that'll open up the Google Classroom. A lot of things show up here in what's called the stream. So these are just the assignments that I've been posting. You can see there's some messages there. There's the assignments for the week. Other posts. Sometimes this can look a little messy though, but this does work. So you can just click these. If I click on this energy transformations, it will open up the assignment. You can see it's worth 5 points. Over here is where you really want to check though. It says there's the actual assignment there that your student would click on. So if I open this up, there's the assignment. Let's go back. There's where they want to make sure they turn it in when they're done. So when you're done working on it, just go ahead and hit the turn in button and turn in. And then that's it. So that's similar for most things. Let me go back. All right, so that was clicking on the assignment through the stream. Another easier way might be to go through classwork. So there's this tab up here, and I've made a section in my Google Classroom just for the online learning stuff that we're doing. So this lists it without a lot of the extra stuff. You just see the nice titles of the assignments. You can go ahead and click on these. So if I want to see what this potential energies thing is, you can click on it, view it. It says over here that it's still assigned. That means it's not completed. If I click on one of these over here that is grayed out on the side, you'll see that that's already been turned in, and it says it's already been graded. The one I just turned in was the energy transformation, so you can see that's turned in, but I have not yet graded it. All right, so this might be a quick visual to see if you've been turning everything in. If you see that they're still colored in, like these ones are green, then that means that you still have some work to do. If you see that they're all grayed out, that means that you've been turning this stuff in. One other way is you can also view your work up here. And this might be another way you can see it. This way you can easily see what you've done, how you've been graded on it. If it's been assigned still, that means you have not turned it in yet. If it's checked off, that means you've turned it in. If it's got a grade there, that means it's been turned in and also graded. All right, so there's that view as well. And so that was, let me go back. That was through this View Your Work tab on the top. You can also see that if you go straight to home page. You can also click this right here, View Your Work, and that'll bring up the same screen, and that's a little bit quicker. All right, I hope this helped.